Life is so full of little problems. Each single day we meet a few. And you ask yourself, what should I do? Let's take a given situation with a decision up to you. And you ask yourself, what should I do? What should I do?
1, 2, 3, who are we? The girls' club at our school, yes sirree!
Susie, you're the president. Why don't you ask that new girl to play?
Are you kidding, Joni? She's a big mess. Look at that dumb dress.
Yeah, come on, let's play.
Hold it, girls. Well, this is a familiar situation. What should they do? Mary, Joni, and Susie. Each of them could do many things. Let's tune in on the new girl, Mary, and see what's going on in her mind.
Gee whiz, it sure is lonesome in a new school. Maybe they'd like me better if I dressed differently. Gee, Mom, I'm the only one in school with a stupid dress like this.
But dear, I just finished making it.
Yes, Mary. Where's your appreciation?
Boy, that idea sure was a fizzle. I'll just have to go to school like I am. Maybe if I pour on the personality, they'll let me play. Hey, you kids, look, I can walk on my hands and do cartwheels. Come on, toss me the ball. Toss me the ball. Toss me the ball. Gee, I don't get it. Back home, I had all kinds of friends. But the trouble is, they're there, and I'm here. Without friends, it sure is lonely. Gosh, there must be a way to break in.
Mary is right. There are many ways, and she's sure to find one if she keeps trying. Susie's been thinking too. Let's see how she's doing.
Well, she's still a mess. Maybe I can get her to change. Say, Mary, do you want to be one of the girls? Well, get a new hairdo, like mine. A dress with lace underneath, like mine. And you won't look so horrible.
Oh, yeah? Well, I think you look horrible. I wouldn't want to look like you kids, not ever, ever, ever. So there.
Gosh, all I was trying to do was help. Gee, maybe I'd better ask her to play after all. I'm sorry, Mary. Come on, join the game.
Gee, thanks, Susie.
Hey, you kids, Mary's gonna play with us.
That's what you think. Not with us, she isn't. Gosh, Susie, that's a dumb idea.
Gee, if I did that, I wouldn't be president very long. I wonder what we should do about her.
Susie doesn't seem to be thinking very clearly, but at least she's thinking. Meanwhile, let's check in on Joni's thoughts.
Gee, I don't know why everyone has to look the same way. Maybe I should stick up for Mary. Hey, Susie, I'm going to invite Mary to my party.
Joni, are you losing your mind? That mess?
Happy birthday, Joni.
Boy, some party. Nobody but Mary came. As much as I feel sorry for Mary, I don't want to lose all my friends. Maybe I'd better stay out of it. The only thing is, I can remember when I was new here. Making friends wasn't easy. Gee, one thing is for sure. When someone else is unhappy, it's pretty hard to be happy yourself. There must be another way.
That's right, Joni. There are other ways. Well, At least all three girls will have to be given credit for thinking. Thinking and finding out that when they're face to face with a problem, there are many things they could do. You've probably thought of some too.
So there is your given situation. Now the decision's up to you. And if you were Mary or Joni or Susie, what would you do? What would you do?